Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Estate Experts. We're standing in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This is DLF Phase 2. This specific location is connected to the main cyber city, the Golf Course Road, the MG Road and the NH8. This plot size is 400 square yards, has a configuration of 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started. ये जो आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं इस समय मेरे को मैं खड़ा हुआ हूँ, ये है आपका फॉर्मल लिविंग स्पेस एंड दैट साइड इज ऑल्सो अ फॉर्मल लिविंग स्पेस, बट इसको आप बाइफरकेट कर सकते हैं किचन, इसको बाइफरकेट कर सकते हैं आप डाइनिंग स्पेस में, क्योंकि इसके बैंक ऑपोजिट में किचन, एक बारी दिखा दीजिए उस तरफ. So accordingly you need to bifurcate your space out here. This side would be the formal living space, that side would be the dining space. You've got 3 air conditioners onto the right wall. This is a plain wall given out here which has a wood design. This is an engineered wood. You talk about the ceiling, you've got the curved design on the ceiling followed by a beautiful crystal chandelier. You've got the Orient Electric के fans हैं, 3 fans यहाँ पर installed हुए हैं. On the surface, when you see, this is all Italian marble, and that side in the opposite to me, you see that wall, this has a wallpaper, a thick quality wallpaper. Now, this is a glass partition given to you. This is specifically a glass, huge door size window, which is gonna connect you to the balcony in the front. This is the balcony space. You've got the natural stone on the surface, HPL sheets all over the roof, the ceiling. You've got the toughened glasses by Miko and the railings. These are all MS. वहाँ पर एयर कंडीशनर का आपका स्प्लिट एसी का एक्सटर्नल लगाया हुआ है. ये आसपास की इसकी सराउंडिंग्स है, प्लीज़ दिखा दीजिए एक बारी. लश ग्रीन सराउंडिंग्स ऑल ओवर द एरिया. दिस ग्लास विंडो, आई मीन इट्स अ स्लाइडर डोर. दिस विल हेल्प यू, उधर को रोटेट करिए. दिस विल हेल्प यू for the natural light to flow inside your house early in the morning. Once you wake up, you do not have to turn on the lights. This will save your electricity as well. This is an engineered wood once again given. This is an empanelment done here to bifurcate the formal living space and the dining space. Let's get inside the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house. It's quite a huge, Italian on the surface. Right wall stays empty. This as well empty. बिकॉज यहाँ पर अपने हिसाब से आप कस्टमाइज़ कर सकते हैं. ज़्यादा इसमें हम लोगों ने कुछ आर्टिस्टिक पेंटिंग्स नहीं दी हैं यहाँ पर, इसलिए कि आप करेंगे यहाँ अपने हिसाब से. ये डाइकिन का एयर कंडीशनर है. सीलिंग डिज़ाइन इज़ क्वाइट अ सिंपल. इधर में थोड़ा सा सीलिंग डिज़ाइन देखेंगे तो काफ़ी अच्छा दिया हुआ है. दिस इज़ ऑल इंजीनियर्ड वुड गिवन हेयर. ऐसा लगता है कि ये वार्डरोब है, लेकिन ये क्लोजेट नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ डिज़ाइन. दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ अ balcony in the front. The same balcony would be shared with the formal living space. This is the balcony once again that I have showed you earlier. External HPL, metal work done, stainless steel, wet area, drainage vessel. This is the surrounding. Come. So, this first bedroom has a closet. This is the closet section. All sensor operated. You'll see the lights are glowing. These are your cabinet space. This is again one cabinet. Let's get inside the washroom space. All over stone given. This is all natural stone. This is not a tile. ऊपर में सीलिंग में इन्होंने कलरफुल डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है काफ़ी. सामने उषा का एग्जॉस्ट फैन है. ये शाफ्ट में दे सकते थे लेकिन नहीं दिया. This is a small partition for the water does not flow this side. This is the rain head. Sanitary fittings are by Vitra. A beautiful vanity given to you. This is in a beautiful shape. You see natural stone on the countertop. This is a small cabinetry section. यहाँ पर शेल्फ दिए हुए हैं. वॉल माउंट कमोड सीट. गीज़र आपका AO स्मिथ का है. इधर में भी आपको स्पेस दिया हुआ है, ग्लास पार्टीशंस दिया हुआ. दिस इज़ अ शेल्फ. यहाँ पर आप अपने upholsteries वगैरह रख सकते हैं. Last but not the least, you see a huge glass given here in the front so that you can see every single day yourself. इधर में स्पेस को भी आप थोड़ा सा अकोमोडेट कर सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से. So this was about the first bedroom's unique features. Now coming inside the passage area, this one is the passage area, the complete passage area. अगर आप इधर से देखेंगे तो आपके इटालियन टाइल में पूरा इसका रिफ्लेक्शन पड़ रहा है. This looks little classy. On the left hand side you'll see this is a textured wall given here. This is not a wallpaper, this is a textured done. इधर में भी टेक्सचर्ड है. ऊपर में आपका रॉड दिया हुआ है जिससे आप यहाँ पर पर्दा वगैरह लगा सकते हैं. So let's move further. This is the powder room given here. A small beautiful powder room. This is nothing no less than a 5-star hotel. You see about the glass beautifully placed. You talk about the stonework all over. It's natural stone on the surface and over here on the top. This is all wallpaper given. Sanity is by Duravit. A beautiful sanitary fittings. This is like by Vitra का इसके अंदर sanitary fittings है. Vanity looks to be beautiful. This is a wall mount commode seat. One person can accommodate himself in a beautiful way. Moving further, if you see on my left hand side, this is a small place which you can customize as per your convenience. यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा मंदिर बना सकते हैं आप घर का, followed by a small channel that you can give here. You've got the LED lights all on the roof ceiling. Towards my right hand side would be the second bedroom of the house. This is the second bedroom. It's a huge bedroom size that I see, and this is also connected with the balcony and the washroom attached towards it. You've got Daikin air conditioners. वहाँ पर आपका Daikin का air conditioner लगा हुआ है. ये wall आपका empty छोड़ा हुआ है for your customization. On the surface you will see all Italian. This is a wooden board given here since you can upgrade it to your console. Ceiling का design देखेंगे is quite a simple. It's a simple and a sober ceiling. Modular switches हैं. This is the balcony area. This side you see the forefront of the house. ये small balcony area again MS toughened glass. You've got good quality glass size window, slider window. This is the wardrobe section. This is the closet. पूरा का पूरा ये closet है आपका. इसमें cabinets वगैरह बने हैं. इस तरफ भी और उस तरफ भी, दोनों तरफ. You can see this. Nice work has been done in the exteriors of this closet. This is the washroom attached. You see a huge glass at the entrance of the second bedroom's washroom. A beautiful vanity with the natural stone countertop given here. You've got enough space to keep your stuff here as well, and this way too. You've got a glass partition. This is the shower area that you'll be entering. You've got the rain head, sanitary fittings are by Vitra, exhaust fan. इधर में अगर shaft देते तो अच्छा रहता. All over you've got the Italian marble on the surface, on the right side of the wall and on the left side of the wall. Wall mount commode seat. पूरा का पूरा आपका Italian marble दिया हुआ है. So let's get going and moving forward to get inside the third bedroom. Before we cover up the third bedroom, this also has a fan installed here. This is it's a huge size. It's quite compact room that I have entered. This is the Daikin air conditioner once again we're giving you. You've got the closet section here. This is your storage for your closet to keep your clothes, maybe whatever you want to. And this wall stays empty so that you can customize it accordingly as per your convenience. The ceiling design is kept. It's actually a slighter sharp cut which is given on the ceiling. It is looking more magnificent when the light glows from the surface. So the surface is all Italian. This is the balcony which is connected with the third bedroom of the house. This is a huge balcony. On my opposite to me you will see all the air conditioners are all hung. सारे air conditioners लगाए हुए हैं. साथ में AO Smith का geyser लगा हुआ है. You've got the wet area, the drainage vessel. Everything is beautifully placed out here. Show them the surroundings a little. How does the back portion look like of this house? This is also connected with the washroom. ये third bedroom का आपका washroom है. A beautiful vanity once you enter inside your washroom space. You've got the tiling work done. ये पूरा का पूरा टाइलिंग वर्क है, zigzag टाइल्स हैं. टाइल्स आपका इधर में भी लगाई हुई हैं सामने में. पूरा का पूरा आप देखेंगे ये बड़ी वाली टाइल्स लगाई हुई है. ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन. You've got the drainage vessel by Vitra. Sanitary fittings are all by Vitra. No compromise done with the sanitary fittings. A+ sanitary fittings. Wall mount commode seat, a natural stone on the top, and again a natural stone on out here. This is a huge drawer to keep your stuff. Beautiful vanity, you see. All branded stuff used. This is a beautiful glass. Again, this has a design embossed inside. You've got an exhaust fan and the ceiling looks to be more nice. Again, there is a branded fan installed here. Let's get inside the 4th bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Come on, come. This is the master bedroom of the house. A beautiful bedroom size. कलर के जो शेड्स हैं एटमॉस्फेयर और कंट्रास्ट के साथ बहुत अच्छे से मैच कर रहे हैं. डाइकिन का एयर कंडीशनर है. नीचे में आपका सरफेस देखेंगे. you've got the wooden flooring which has a warranty of around 10 years. This is again a beautiful material used. Don't consider this as a wardrobe because this is not a wardrobe. This is just a show up design. This is your closet. Got a nice quality handle. You've got the cabinetries down here. So once we get inside to this house, specifically master bedroom की बात करूँ, ceiling पे बहुत शानदार डिज़ाइन दिया हुआ है. 2 cuts में bifurcated rectangular design. This is also connected with the balcony. A huge glass door size window. This is a slider door. This is again the balcony side where you share the balcony with the 3rd bedroom of the house with the master bedroom, and this surrounding remains the same. All air conditioners are placed in a very beautiful way. Come on, this is the master bedroom's washroom. So ये लग भी ऐसे रहा है कि बहुत lavish है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा ultra luxurious लग रहा है. You talk about the glass, it's a beautiful design. पूरा का पूरा अच्छा शेप में दिया. इधर नीचे से राउंड है, ऊपर से चौकोर में थोड़ा सा. Vanity is like huge. It's a huge vanity. Beautiful design. Wall mount commode seat. A.O. Smith ka geyser. Sanitary fittings are all by Vitra. Come inside. You've got a closet out here. A running shelf. This is your shower area. This is something that you lock. इधर से आप बंद कर सकते हैं. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका rain head दिया हुआ है ऊपर में. All engineered wood given on the ceiling. A beautiful tiling work has been done on the surface. This is a partition given to you so that the water does not flow to the other side. This was all about the master bedroom's washroom and the master bedroom. So let's cover up the kitchen part now. Before we cover up the kitchen part, this is the most important aspect of any residence where you stay. This is a biometrics mechanism. If you do not have a code, you may not be able to enter inside your own house. This is by Yale. This is the kitchen area, a huge kitchen space. See, hob and chimney, all by CAF. You've got an oven by CAF, OTG. We also have a dishwasher. This dishwasher is again by CAF over here. So this is a huge space. You've got the pocket window on your left, which is something that you can open it in the daytime or in the evening hours as well. इसमें mesh door की कमी है, वो होता तो शायद अच्छा होता. इसको आप खोलेंगे, ventilation की कोई problem नहीं है. Italian on this surface, the false ceiling design stays same. A beautiful 4 to 5 lights have been placed here. You've got the Daikin air conditioner. You've got the storage out here. You talk about the sink. This is by Frankie. Water vessels are all good quality. यहाँ पर मैं आपका space दिया हुआ है to keep your materials. This is to keep your cutlery, maybe your forceps, kadchi. This is to keep your multi-grains. You've got a huge storage space out here. A good quality, countertop. This has a huge thickness. This is stain free. The tiling work all around the borders. भाई सारे के सारे वारंटी कार्ड्स वगैरह हर चीज़ इसके अंदर है. एयर कंडीशनर का हो या किसी चीज़ का हो, बहुत अच्छे से डेवलपर ने ऑर्गेनाइज करी है चीज़ें. आई एम प्राउड दैट आई हैव गॉट एन ऑनर टू शूट दिस स्पेसिफिक वीडियो. दिस इज़ द प्लेस वेयर यू हैव टू प्लेस योर रेफ्रिजरेटर. इधर में आप रेफ्रिजरेटर लगा सकते हैं अपना. और what else, इधर में भी स्पेस दिया हुआ है. This is the space to wash your utensils, and you keep it here and you drag it down and up from there so that water drains out. This is a small geyser given here by A.O. Smith, a branded geyser. So there is a ceiling fan as well. This was all about the kitchen. You see these all racks are given in the front. इधर में भी इसको तो नहीं open करेंगे because यहाँ chimney लगा हुआ है. This is the space. Let's sign off quickly. This was Anupam Gambhir live from Stair Experts. Thank you so very much for watching us. Don't forget to give us a call, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and don't forget to give us your thumbs up. That is needed. Give us a call for your site visit. We'll be more than happy to get your site visit done. Thank you so very much. We'll be honored. Thank you. Thank you for watching us.